Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down the biggest tech news in a way that actually makes sense. Today, Google quietly pulled the plug on one of its most experimental AI projects, but the story isn't really about what ended, it's about where it went. I'm Emily, your read the fine print on the shutdown notice person.
And I'm Lucas, tech enthusiast and someone who genuinely loved Project Mariner. Rest in peace, little web agent, you were taken too soon.
A touching tribute. So here's what happened. Google shut down Project Mariner on May 4th, 2026. Mariner was an experimental AI agent that could browse the web and complete tasks on your behalf, booking hotels, archiving emails, researching flights, all autonomously. The shutdown message on the landing page read simply, "Its technology voyaged to other Google products," which is honestly a very poetic way to say we absorbed it.
And that's the key thing to understand. This isn't Google giving up on agentic web browsing. It's the complete opposite. Over the past year, Mariner's capabilities were folded into Gemini Agent, which can manage your emails and bookings, into AI mode in Google Search, and into a new Chrome feature called Auto Browse that handles multi-step research tasks directly in your browser.
So Mariner didn't die, it multiplied. The experiment is over, but the technology is now running inside the tools billions of people use every single day. That's actually a pretty successful outcome for an experimental project.
And the timing is very deliberate. Google I/O, their biggest annual developer showcase, starts May 19th. Shutting down a standalone experimental tool right before I/O strongly suggests Google's about to unveil something much bigger that replaces it entirely.
Meanwhile, the competition in agentic browsing is heating up fast. OpenAI has Operator, Perplexity has Comment, OpenClaw has a passionate user base. Google can't afford to be left behind in this race, and retiring the experiment to make room for the real product is a smart strategic move.
Exactly. In tech, when a company says we shut it down but the technology lives on, that's not a failure. That's graduation. Mariner went from experiment to infrastructure.
Well said. Yeah, that's all for today's Pente Spotlight. Project Mariner is gone, but the future it was pointing toward is arriving faster than ever.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay curious. Keep your eyes on Google I/O on May 19th. Whatever comes next is going to be big. Thanks so much for listening. See you on the next Spotlight.